looking for a chance, and I see you getting all right, I can't understand. Hey.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So pretty much today I just wanted to do a strictly POV, like kind of a canyon run. So pretty much I'm headed straight towards Red Rock right now. I don't know if you guys can see the mountains in the distance. A really nice area to just kind of cruise, and I know a lot of nice cars always come this way. You can see a Corvette C8 right there. So pretty much just wanted to cruise now that we have the tune dialed in, we have the Mickey Thompson tires, everything's good to go. So I kind of just want to do a little chill cruise with you guys, so you guys can just see the views, and you guys can also see and hear how the car performs. This is pretty much like the start of Red Rock Canyon. As you guys can see, god damn, bro. No blinker or nothing, huh? That's crazy. You can see mountains all back through there, and actually it looks really nice today because it's kind of overcast, so it's not too bright out here. So you can see the clouds right above the mountains. So there's a little more traffic out here today than there usually is for whatever reason, but I'm trying to get a little bit of distance in between this Audi in front of me, so I can do a little mini pull so you guys can kind of hear the turbo spool, and you can see how well the Mickey Thompsons are sticking. We'll do a third gear pull. As you guys just saw, there was absolutely no tire spin right there. So once again, these Mickey Thompsons have been working really well for me lately. I'm not gonna lie, you do have to get them warm for them to work well, which is pretty standard for any tire, any performance tire. You should probably always get it warm before you try to make a review or say how sticky a tire is, because most of the time a lot of performance tires will only hook if they're warm, but these Mickey Thompsons have been absolutely perfect for me as far as hooking when they're warm. And for those of you that don't know, my car is probably pushing right around 600 horsepower. Haven't gotten it dynoed yet. That'll be a video coming very soon. But right now I do have an upgraded Pure 800 turbo, the new cast version, with Dorch Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump. I am on a custom E50 tune. I'm tuned by Sam, so shout out to Sam. The tune is great. I hope it's not like super bright for you guys, but ever since I got the revision for my tune, I haven't had any issues and the car's been running perfectly. Do another little pull. And that guy passed on a freaking curve. That's risky, man. These tires feel so good, man, so good. All the OGs to the channel know that my last setup was the Falcon Azenis RT660s. They were fine at first, but as soon as I installed the Pure 800 turbo and increased the torque on the car, they just did not hook anymore. And even before I installed the turbo, after I would say like 2-3 months, they just stopped hooking well. The fact that I increased the torque on this vehicle and these Mickey Thompsons are still able to keep up is super impressive. I do definitely recommend them. The only thing I have said in my previous videos, these Mickey Thompsons get kind of floaty at high speeds. What I mean by that is when you're at high speeds and you're turning like just slightly, you kind of feel your car just sway just a little bit. So that's the only downside I have about these. But other than that, as far as grip, I haven't had any issues. Let's try doing like a second gear pull just to see if we get any wheel spin. Oh, just a little bit, but not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. So I kind of want to pull over and attach my 360 camera to the back, so that way I can kind of switch from inside the cabin to outside. I think that'd be pretty dope. I know there's a spot up here where I can pull over and do that, so I think that'd be super dope if I can get both angles. Bro, hold up, am I tweaking? That looks just like the dude, what's his name? What's that actor's name? He plays in a movie with Adam Sandler, Anger Management. I promise you that dude, oh, never mind. That's definitely like a doppelganger, because that dude looks very similar to that guy. I know you guys probably can't tell, but that's crazy. Ooh, a Shelby. Where's the owner at, bro? You trying to get some runs in or what? I'm about to park right next to him, so he knows I mean business. It's probably this old guy right here. Imagine. Be like, you want to race, homie? I will bring great dishonor to your family. Nah, I shouldn't have said that. That was kind of f***ed up. Alright. Let's get it. We got the 360 hooked up to the back, as you guys can see right here. Let's go. I think it'd be a really dope idea to like zoom in POV style, zoom out 360, zoom in, zoom out, you know what I'm saying? I think it'd be pretty dope. So we're just gonna try it out and see how it works. The camera is a little shaky, it looks like, but overall it looks super dope. Try to do a little pull. Oh, this 360 camera looks dope. I'm gonna have fun with this. But hopefully the 360 camera will be able to pick up the sound of my car, you know, because I know there's probably gonna be a lot of wind noise back there. And speaking of, let me go ahead and change the settings on that. You already know how to get some flicks real quick. For the gram, gotta stay engaged, you feel me? There we go. Alright, let's get back to it. Oh, it is. There we go. Oh, I heard the beep. Alright, let's go ahead and switch to the Action 360 cam. Woo! Let's go! I'm excited for this video, y'all. Let me know down in the comments if y'all like this and y'all want more POV, just strictly GoPro and 360 cam, cause I think this video is gonna come out dope. Oh man, let's go. I really should be getting some 60 to 130 times, but there's just so many people out here today. We here again, do another pull, except POV style. Damn, that turbo sounds crazy. Can't do it right now, but I like these mountains, so let's go ahead and switch back to the 360 cam. And I'm gonna try my best to edit out all of the wind noise, but no promises. I know back there it gets super windy and there's a lot of wind noise, so I'll try my best to edit all that out. But honestly, if there's wind noise, I mean, hey, at least it looks good. So I know we're coming back up to that little rest stop area, so I'll probably take the 360 camera down, but I will give you guys one last pull. Try to get it around this curve, or right after the curve, because it's probably not a smart idea to do it around the curve. That was a weak pull, guys, I'm not gonna lie. That was super weak, but I didn't want to get too close to the Mercedes in front of me. But yeah, we're probably gonna go ahead and take this off, because I don't think there's any area down there where I can take it off. Alright y'all, hopefully you got some good footage on that 360 camera. I definitely want to start using it a lot more in more of my videos, because once again, it looks super dope. Didn't like it from my last video. I tried to do like a POV 360 style. Hold up. Like I was saying, my last video that I posted, I tried to do like a POV, you know, 360 style. I kind of hung it right here, but for whatever reason the quality is super grainy and super bad. I've seen some videos where it looks amazing, the quality looks great, but for whatever reason when I edited it, for some reason after I did my edits, it just did not look clear at all. Even though I filmed in 4K 30 frames per second, it just did not look good. So anybody out there is good at editing and knows, you know, the 360 camera, is familiar with it, hit me up on my Instagram, let me know, give me some tips, because POV 360 on the inside just looked terrible and I was not a fan. Yeah, I wonder how this car would sound with the blow-off valve. I know they sell a charge pipe for the B58 with a blow-off valve. With the upgraded turbo, I think that would sound dope. I could be wrong. I've never heard, honestly, I don't know anybody that has the charge pipe with the blow-off valve. I would be very curious to see what it sounds like, but I think it would sound dope on this car. But alright y'all, that just about wraps up today's video. Let me know down in the comments if y'all like this POV style and the 360. Me personally, I thought it was pretty dope just being in the canyon and just being able to see the views, being able to see the POV from the inside as well as from the outside. So I like doing it, I enjoyed doing it. So if you guys like it as well, let me know down in the comments so I can do more videos like this. But just like that, that wraps up today's video. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe and join the Matwire family. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously. Share it with your friends. And as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop until you reach them. Peace.
Excited just to see me, wish I felt the same way. Later on she'll probably get a name change. People changing on me like they gained weight. I wish that I waited on the same